Dear students, good morning. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a class for class 6 English second paper grammar. And you have already submitted your assignment for class English first paper, and the second paper assignment will be published next week. So today I am going to discuss a class for class English second paper. Okay, dear learners, let's go to start our class. Welcome to online class. This is my identity I have already given you, and this is English second paper, unit 1, lesson 1. Okay, dear learners, what is his name? Do you know? Yes, you are right. He is Saqib Al Hasan. He has come back already, and he is the best all-rounder all over the world. Okay, he's our pride. Can you make sentence with this meaning word? Yes, you can do. What is the name of his things? Can you make sentence with this naming sentence? Yes, Saqib Al Hasan is the best all-rounder player all over the world. Okay. What is the name of these things? Bat. You're right. This is bat. This is bat. He is playing this bat. Can you make sentence with this meaning word? Yes. I play cricket with bat. I play cricket with bat. Saqib Al Hasan is a cricket player. Saqib Al Hasan is a cricket player. He plays with the bat. He plays with the bat. The naming words in a sentence are called nouns. The naming words in a sentence are called nouns. Okay. So, what is the definition of noun? A noun is a name of anything. Okay. So the naming words is a called the naming words in a sentence are called nouns. So dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn or discuss in our session? Yes, you are guessing. Can you tell the name of the persons? First one is Begum Rokeya. Yes, who is this famous woman? He is Begum Rokeya. And second one is Kazi Nazrul Islam. Yes, you are right. He is Kazi Nazrul Islam, our national poet and revolt poet. Okay. So Begum Rokeya is a social worker and a writer. Why Begum Rokeya is famous for? Begum Rokeya is a social worker and a writer. Begum Rokeya is a social worker and a writer. And Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Can you tell the name of this thing? Yes, this is rose. Can you make sentence with this naming words? Yes. I like rose, or everyone likes rose. Can you tell me the name of these things? Yes, you are right. This is leaf. Can you make sentence with these naming words? Yes, you can do. So, can you tell the name of this animal? Yes, you are right. This is elephant. This is elephant, a big animal. Can you make sentence with these naming words? Yes, you can do. Can you tell the name of this building? Yes, you can. This is Shad Gumbuz Mosque, right? This is Shad Gumbuz Mosque. Can you make sentence with these naming words? Yes, you can do. Shad Gumbuz Mosque is situated in Bagerhat. Okay. Can you tell the names of their profession? Yes, first one, she is a teacher, and second one, they are police. Okay. Can you make sentence with these naming words? Yes, first one is teacher and second one is police. Can you match the name of the quality, action or state? First one, happiness, and second one, punishment. First one is happiness and second one is punishment, knowledge. Okay. Dear students, you have already guessed or understood that we are discussing in our topics is noun. Okay, first one is happiness, second one is punishment or knowledge. Okay, this is punishment. Look at the sentences and underline the words. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. We have underlined Kazi Nazrul Islam and poet. The leaf is green. I have already seen the picture, the leaf. The leaf is green. The elephant is a big animal. The elephant is a big animal. People like to visit Shad Gumbuz Mosque. People like to visit Shad Gumbuz Mosque. The teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. Happiness keeps us healthy. Happiness keeps us healthy. So what is the definition of noun? The name of any person, place, things, idea, quality or state is a sentence. In a sentence is called noun. Okay. Dear students, you have to write this example and definition in your notebook. Okay, please write. Please write down this example and definition in your notebooks. And the underlined words is noun. Okay. This all underlined words. This is poet, Kazi Nazrul Islam, poet, leaves, elephant, animals, Shad Gumbuz Mosque, teacher, happiness. All these things are, all these words are noun. Okay. So what is the definition of noun? The name of any person, place, thing, idea, quality or state is in a sentence is called noun. What is the definition of noun? The name of any person, any place, anything, idea, quality or state in a sentence is called noun. Okay. Okay, dear learners, I think you have finished writing this example and definition in your notebooks. So now we will go to next topic in next slide. This is your pair work. Anik Islam lives in Tongi. He is a student. His school is Mojida Government High School. He studies attentively. He is a singer too. He likes to sing folk song. Dear learners, since you are staying at home, so you have to do this work individually. Okay, this is not pair work, you have to do it individually. You have to find out the nouns. Okay, dear learners, read the following passage and find out the nouns from it. Read the following passage and find out the nouns from it. Anik Islam lives in Tungi. He is a student. His school is Mojida Government High School. He studies attentively. He is a singer too. He likes to sing folk song. Please do it quickly, dear learners. Here Anik Islam is noun. Listen, Tungi. Tungi is noun. He is a student. He is a student. Student is noun. His school. His school is noun. Government Mojida Government High School is noun. He studies attentively. He is a singer too. Your singer is noun. He likes to sing folk song. Song is noun. Okay, folk song. Okay, we'll go to next. Pair work. You have to also do it individually. Find out at least 5 meaning words from the picture and make sentence with those nouns. You have to find out at least 5 naming words from the picture and make sentences with those nouns. Here a girl is pulling tube wells, and another boy is watching his hand from getting the water from that water. Okay, now answer the following questions. What is noun? I think that you have written in your khata the definition of noun. Actually the what is noun? Noun is a name of anything. A noun is a name of anything. It could be a person's name or anything's name or quality, etc. Find out at least 5 nouns from your classroom and make sentences with those nouns. Since you are living in your house, so you have to find out at least 5 nouns from your house and make sentences with those nouns. Okay, dear students, we have already finished. We have already reached the last situation in our class. Thank you very much, dear students. Thanks a lot for your active participation in my class. And stay home. Don't go outside without any emergency. Stay home, and you have to maintain or you have to abide by the rules of health and hygiene. Thank you very much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.